Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today we will be showing you how to grow oyster mushroom at home and harvest them every day. Oyster mushroom are an excellent source of protein and they are really easy to grow. So let's get started. First, you will need to get your hands on some oyster mushroom spawn. You can buy this from a local nursery or order it online. Once you have your spawn, you will need to prepare your substrate. This can be any type of organic material such as straw, sawdust, or even coffee grounds. Sterilize your substrate by boiling it in water for at least 30 minutes. Then let it cool to room temperature. Once your substrate is cooled, mix it with your mushroom spawn. Be sure to wear gloves to avoid contamination. Mix everything together until the spawn is evenly distributed throughout the substrate. Now it's time to create your growing environment. Oyster mushrooms like a warm and humid environment, so you will need to replicate those conditions. You can do this by using a plastic bag or container with holes punched in it. Fill the bag with your spawn and substrate mixture and then close it up. You can also use a plastic storage container with a lid and holes drilled in it. Place the bag or container in a warm and humid area like a closet or basement. After a few days, you should start to see small white bumps appearing on the surface of the substrate. These are the beginnings of your mushrooms. Keep your growing environment moist by spraying it with water every day. After about 2 weeks, you should start to see your mushrooms growing. They will continue to grow and nurture over the next few weeks. Once your mushrooms have matured, it's time to harvest them. You can do this by twisting and pulling them gently off the substrate. Be sure to harvest your mushrooms every day as they grow very quickly and can become overripe and inedible if left on the substrate for too long. And that's it. Growing oyster mushrooms at home is really easy and it's a great way to get fresh, nutritious mushrooms every day. Thanks for watching and be sure to let us know how your mushroom growing experience goes in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this.